chili. Like chili for us Texas people who live in the South. Before I start the channel off today, I want to talk about something. It's nothing. I mean, I guess it's something personal. Not really. I want to talk about one of my favorite YouTubers, Illiminate, Randy Trump. So, I don't know if you guys watch Illiminate, but I'll leave like something around here. Go check them out. What I wanted to talk about is that they are shutting down Illiminate. He has a video explaining everything. You should go check it out. The reason why I want to talk about it is because YouTube, it started with Illiminate. My whole YouTube journey of 5 years, I've done YouTube for about 5 years. No, I haven't gotten anywhere where I wanted to be, but one day I will. So what I'm trying to say is, if it wasn't for Illiminate, oh look, a dog. If it wasn't for Illiminate, I wouldn't have picked up a camera. I wouldn't have done any of this. I wouldn't have got into JDM cars or building cars. I wouldn't have got into any of this stuff. When I started first watching Illiminate when I was 24, 23, that's what I wanted to do. I found what I really wanted to do. YouTuber that did vlogs for JDM cars. Ever since I've been doing this, ever since I've watched Illiminate, I've had a lot of my dreams come true. I can elaborate more if you guys would like more of a story of how I got into this. Drop comments down below, but it does have to deal with Illiminate. They are the channel that got me into JDM cars. They are the channel that got me into building cars. They are the reason why I wanted a 240. They are the reason why I started watching other YouTubers who did the things that I like to do. Basically, Illiminate won't be selling merch or any of that other stuff. From what I've heard, from what I saw from the video, it seems like Illiminate's done, but it feels like he's starting over with something new. He didn't say he was gonna stop vlogging, which is something I'm glad that he's not gonna stop. Keep on vlogging, Randy. I know I'm a small YouTuber, but you got this, man. I just wanted to address it. Just because I've been watching them and watching the group for so long, yes, they grew up and they all spread it out. It's just part of growing up, and we all have to go through it. Randy, you got this. Just keep on pushing the videos out. You're the reason why I wanted to become a YouTuber, and I love it every time I do it. Yeah, guys, if you're following something, your dreams or something, don't let it go. Keep on pushing. People come and go. The real ones will stick around, even if you don't see them for a couple months and they still come back. You know who your real friends are. If it wasn't for Illiminate, like I said, I wouldn't be here. I wouldn't have my own shop with one of my good friends. He would still be probably working on concrete outside of his house or other friend's house. They're the reason why I got the push to do all this. So, and I'm gonna keep on pushing. I'm sorry if it's a little long, but I just had to get, I personally had a feeling like I need to get it off my chest. Illiminate was a big part of my YouTube journey, so I just wanted to explain that to you guys. I'm sorry if it's taking so long. If you guys want, you can skip to today's video, but like I said, thank you, Illiminate. Whew, oh my god, it's so cold. If you guys watched that part of the beginning of the vlog, thank you. Illiminate really means a lot to me. They were one of my first YouTube channels I started watching. There were other people, but those guys are the ones that got me hooked into doing vlogging and doing all this. Like I said, comment down below if you want a more detailed story of how I got into all of this. Which is, I think it's pretty interesting knowing people's backstory of how they got into cars, JDM cars, building cars, and stuff like that. So today I'll be unboxing stuff for the 240. I told you I had parts for the 240. Oh shit. All right, I told you I had parts for the 240. We will be mocking up this bad boy on the 240, and I'll be showing y'all. Well, we'll be doing unboxing today. Well, I can't unbox this, but first, these are ISR power steering braided lines. They're for the power steering. The thing is, I don't know if I'm gonna reuse my old power steering rack. I might get a brand new one from Injuku. They do sell them, which is pretty cool. If you guys want to do that for your S14, they only sell S13 steering racks. But the cool thing is with these S13, S14s, you can literally use the bushings on an S14 on an S13 steering rack and fit it to your rack. So it's good. I don't know if it's the other way around. I don't think you can do it the other way around. Drop comments down below. I've never heard of somebody using an S14 rack on an S13 rack. I don't know, I'm not 100% sure. I'm still learning a lot of these 240s. I had one of these in my S13. I really like the feeling. I know there's better ones out there, but I wanted this one. This is a ISR short shifter, and to me it felt pretty good, and it's good budget. So if you guys are looking for a short shifter, go with the ISR. Really good quality, dude, and it's gold plated, so that's a cool thing. I just like how it felt when I had it in my S13. Okay. Okay, this right here, I'm pretty sure you guys can guess. Oh my god. This is a... Man, Jose, put this back in. It was hard to push it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Much better. This right here is my, no, I'm just playing. This right here is the ISR Performance one-piece drive shaft. It is non-ABS. I don't have ABS for this. We did a 350Z diff swap, so I don't need ABS. I am replacing the two-piece drive shaft. I got this for Christmas from my girlfriend. It should fit, I hope. That's what we're doing today. We're test fitting the ISR drive shaft on today. And yeah, you guys saw me have a hard time pushing this back, so I'm gonna have another hard time pushing it forward. I need to put it on jacks and all that stuff. I do want to show you all the comparison of the drive shafts. I just don't know where my drive shaft is. I hope it's not in the pile back there, because I'm screwed if it is. So guys, dude, YouTube's so badass. Huh. I didn't have to do anything. YouTube did everything. YouTube time skips. All right, 240's jacked up. Please let this fit. Oh man, I'm so scared because, dude, that was like 500 bucks. It should fit. No, it's gonna fit. Let's go. Let's put this thing under there. Let's get this over with. I do not know where my little tripod is, so I'm gonna have to do this with one arm. This is gonna be hard. Oh, here we go. Oh man, look how nice and pretty it is. Oh, never mind, don't look at that. But everything else, yeah. No, don't look at the arms. The lower control arms, don't look at them. Okay, as we slowly creep underneath, there's still spiders. All right, so the goal is to get this line up into the transmission. And then, so the flange on the 350Z is totally different from the shaft right here, or the whatever U-joint shit. So the bolts won't line up to these. So what people do is they'll drill holes in them, and what I'm gonna do is, once I mark this up, Sharpie, 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 drill, 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 and then bolt on. Or I can go buy a $45 piece and take off this one, and it should line up to this. But the only thing I'm worried about is the I don't know what they're called, shims with the balls in them. I don't want to mess up any of that stuff inside, so I rather just drill holes and take my time and mount it up that way. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be fully in there. So guys, on Jose's 240 SR swap, I thought it would be fully in. His is a two-piece, see? And then there's also a gap right there. So I think we're good, because that's the shaft right there as well, going into the transmission. I'm gonna try to get this as even as possible. So I do not have to put another diff in or change out the flange. And then we'll just come on. So I pretty much came to Mexico and we're gonna be drilling out them here. I took the flange out because I think it'll be so much easier this way. Yeah, I was struggling doing it with the car in there. So we'll keep on doing it until I'm done. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lube up the, what are they called? The splines. And then things should be easy to put back on. See, this is why you have a Mexican friend. You make him do all the work. Right, Pete?
Exactly.
Look at him, work hard.
For the white man.
Oh, I'm not white, he is. No, we're not, none of us are. We're light skinned. You know how there's light skinned black people? We light skinned Mexicans. I'm not putting that in the vlog. How we doing over here? The boy's struggling. I did 3. All right, it's new day. So we were at Mexico drilling out some holes. The flange from the 350Z diff to line up with the new 240 drive shaft. And then I had bolts. I had these bolts and they would go perfectly fine in there. Okay, anyways, I got new ones with washers, lock washer, stuff like that. If I get my fingers in there. See, it goes in that one, and that one. So I'm gonna put this bad boy back on the 350Z diff. Hopefully we can get the drive shaft with all the bolts to line up perfectly fine. I did dot them. Hopefully they align perfect. Dude, we have to do what we can. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. So I ain't worried about it. It will work. Yeah, let's try this out. Okay, so bear with me. I gotta do this all one-handed. Hopefully everything just slides on properly. I have to use a block of wood and a hammer, and I'm gonna have to hit it. Okay. Well, I think we got it on, Douglas. Moment of truth, guys. All right, so our ISR one-piece drive shaft for the 240 1UZ swap is finally in. We did a 350Z diff swap and it's finally in. Everything in the rear is completely done. All we have to do is replace these arms, get new wheels, put some diff fluid in, put some transmission fluid in, and then we can start it up. In the very beginning when I was putting this on, I had an issue and like it wouldn't spin, and I was like, oh my god, please don't let something wrong with the transmission or clutch. I had it in gear, so it spins, guys, as I turn the wheels, which is a good sign. That's what you want. Everything is finally in for the rear end, well, majority of it, and I'm so excited. Wow, it came out phenomenal. So much work has been put into this 240. It's insane. Look at this, man. Wow. Alright guys, so we finally put the drive shaft in. That's pretty much for today's video. In the next vlog, we'll probably put some diff fluid in, some trans fluid, put the shifter on with the gasket, maybe turn it on. I have a battery, I just need to hook it up and put some gas in the car. Turn it on, maybe. I'm not 100% sure because I still want to do the brake system. But once we're done with the brake system, then we're going to start working in the front, put some new arms, and then after that, I think she'll be ready to go. Test it out. Oh, I got to get a seat. That's the last thing I need to do. Well, I got to get a seat. I do want to get a bucket seat. We'll probably get something nice. Oh, one more thing. I'll have to swap out the master cylinder to a Z32 master cylinder, because they say once you do that, the brakes feel super squishy. But oh my god, look at that wheel. Look how bad the alignment is. The wheel is so far out. Anyways guys, y'all did good on the last video with 15 likes. I think I said let's hit 15 likes. So on this video, let's hit 20 likes. You guys are doing awesome. Just keep on helping us out. Watch the videos, subscribe. One more thing. One of the 350Zs is down. I know you guys like a lot of 350Z content, so I might be doing a, if I can find it around here. So I had a lot of people want more maintenance videos, so we might be doing a water pump on a 350Z. It'll be my first time doing one, but can't be that hard. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Later.